Hola, this is Kesseline and welcome to my channel, K the Crafty Planner. Today, I'm going to share with you how my daughter and I made this doodle notebook for her. We made it all from scratch using papers that she picked from Joann Fabrics. I hope you like this new project. We were in the middle of doing our nails. I have not finished taking mine off, but she wanted to do this. So I'm going to put my nails to the side. They're really bad. But Sionelli here, can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, can I be? Hello.
Show your hand. They can't see it. They're so excited that Mommy is doing videos on YouTube. It's hilarious. Okay, so we're gonna do Sionelli's doodle notebook, right? For you to do anything. So we're gonna use this paper, which is watercolor paper, right, Sia? Really awesome watercolor paper. So we're gonna use this cardboard that is, what's the size of the cardboard? 12 by 12, right? 12 by 12. It's just like a little, little cardboard.
13 by 13.
12 by 12.
No, 13 by
No, it's 12 by 12, okay?
Not 13.
So we're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it in half, right? And start using them. Okay. So it's gonna be 6 by 9, and we're gonna do her doodle pages. Matthias is playing. Okay. So these are the papers that she picked from Joann Fabrics. Joann Fabrics had a sale of 60% off of their color paper. And this one, that's it. You picked 4, okay?
But that's a 3.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4. You silly macaroni. Okay, so we are going to get this big one. All right, so tell me, which one do you want to be the cover? Which one do you want to be the cover? Look at my nails, Theo.
The butterfly one.
The butterfly one is one cover. Okay, so that's the front. And what if we...
I want that to be the back.
So the butterflies is the back? Okay, so which one is the front?
I would do the hearts.
The hearts. Awesome. So what do you want inside?
I would do these 2 papers.
So it doesn't matter where we go? It doesn't matter? So do you want to do... It doesn't matter. So we're going to do this one inside and then this one inside. Okay, we got it. Okay, Sia. What do you feel? How do you feel about your little notebook? You got a little wonky there. We got a little wonky there, but
You are
it's supposed to be. I'm a little wonky.
This one is for my desk.
For Matthias? Yep, we can do that. So Sia, look, this is your notebook. You're gonna get to color.
Mommy, this is what I need to watercolor.
Yeah.
Watercolor.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have
So
to
we just
So I
did.
need to watercolor all of these colors,
Yeah.
and then I will have my pink.
We just made her notebook. Pretty cool, Sia. I think you did awesome. Here, can you say goodbye? Sia. Victoria.
Got the water. Bye. Bye.
Can you say bye? Can you say bye like that?
Bye.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited to paint.
You're
I
gonna.
watered it.